Far beyond the coastline, a modern container ship crosses an ocean that never truly stands still. From a distance, it appears calm and almost effortless. Thousands of containers moving steadily toward another port. But beneath the steel hull, an entire industrial world is awake. Engines burn fuel with extraordinary precision. Pumps move water, oil, and fuel through kilometers of pipework. Computers compare position, traffic, weather, depth, and speed. And a trained crew coordinates every system around the clock. Tonight, we will pass through the steel itself to see how a modern cargo ship navigates, carries, balances, powers, protects, and propels one of the largest moving machines on Earth. The vessel is built around a simple purpose: carry cargo safely across long distances. Yet achieving that purpose requires many interconnected spaces. High above the waterline, the bridge controls navigation. Below it, the accommodation block supports the people who operate the ship. Forward, the forecastle contains anchoring and mooring machinery. Across the weather deck, containers are secured above deep cargo holds. Low in the hull, ballast tanks manage stability and trim. Fuel and service tanks feed the machinery. At the stern, the engine room surrounds the main engine, generators, pumps, purifiers, boilers, and control systems. A shaft line carries power aft to the propeller, while the rudder turns the vessel.
No compartment works alone. The bridge is the ship's command center. The officer of the watch maintains a continuous lookout, supported by radar, electronic charts, satellite navigation, the gyro compass, depth information, and data from nearby vessels. Radar measures range and bearing by timing reflected radio energy. AIS exchanges identity, position, course, and speed with equipped ships and shore stations. On the electronic chart display, the planned route is checked against hazards, depth limits, traffic lanes, and the vessel's own safety margins. The autopilot can hold a commanded heading, but it does not replace professional judgment. Wind, current, traffic, visibility, and sea room must still be assessed. When the bridge orders a new heading, the steering control moves the rudder through hydraulic machinery. When speed must change, an engine command is transmitted to the machinery control system. Navigation is therefore not one instrument. It is a disciplined cycle of observation, verification, communication, and action. Outside, the weather deck is a working environment exposed to salt, vibration, heat, wind, and moving water. Corrosion is controlled through inspection, surface preparation, and protective coatings. Deck fittings, access routes, fire equipment, vents, and container securing arrangements are checked routinely.
Twist locks, lashing bars, turnbuckles, and bridge fittings transfer cargo forces safely into the ship's structure. During mooring, lines are led through fair leads to powered winches,